So you want to send and sign documents directly from HubSpot without switching tabs. Imagine creating a deal in HubSpot and sending a Docusign contract instantly, all in one click. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Docusign with HubSpot step by step, so you can automate your entire signing process. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the special offers. Okay, so once you are in your favorite browser, just make sure that you log in your both of your platform like Docusign and the HubSpot. Then you have to be on this page, the Zapier.com. So if you don't have any account on Zapier, you can create within just 1 minute. It's super easy. So once you are inside the Zapier by logging in, click on this create button here and go with this Zaps. Now change the name here. So I'm just DocuX HubSpot Hub. So okay, now click on this add trigger and search for the HubSpot. Now select this HubSpot and just add a trigger here by choosing from this. So for this example, I'm just going with this new contact. Okay, so now let's sign in the HubSpot by clicking on the sign on here. Let's select our HubSpot account and choose account. Now scroll down and make sure you checkmark this to agreement and connect the app. And it's connected with Zapier. Now click on this continue to configure this. Now click continue again. Now simply click on this continue. Okay, so let's create the action. So now here search for the Docusign. So select the Docusign. Then similarly you have to choose an event here. So let's say for this example I will select this. Then similarly click on the sign in to connect your Docusign account with Zapier. Now select your account type. So this is a demo account and yes, continue. And that's it. It will connect your HubSpot with Docusign by the help of Zapier. So basically this was the video and this is how you can easily integrate your HubSpot with Docusign. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.